teach you how to make spaghetti alla Bolognese, which is Italian for spaghetti bolognese. There's one ingredient that is essential for a good spaghetti bolognese. That is wine. First, pour your glass full of wine. Now we're ready to begin. Tomatoes are the second most essential ingredient. The Italians call them pomodoro, which means golden apple, which is of course ridiculous because they're a tomato.
In addition, you will need an onion, a can of tomatoes, olive oil, and a red pepper. Eviscerate your onion. Leaving the stalk on the onion will prevent you from bursting into floods of tears while you cut it.
Another essential ingredient in a good bolognese sauce is olive oil. Some chefs say that you should use extra virgin olive oil. Personally, I like my olive oil to have lived a little before I use it. She's been round the block a few times. Pour the olive oil liberally into your heating pot.
Acquaint the onions with the oil. Now, disenfranchise the pepper. Working from the crown downwards means that you avoid those pesky seeds. Now slice and dice until you have small cubes. Do the same with the pomodoro.
Lancete forbici, rasori e pettini, al mio comando tutto qui sta. Ve la risorsa, poi del mestiere, con la donnetta, col cavaliere, con la donnetta, la 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 la, col cavaliere, la 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 la.
Add your herbs, bay leaves, nutmeg, cinnamon, and thyme.
Per un barbiere di qualità, di qualità. Ah, bravo Figaro, bravo, bravissimo, bravo. La 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 la.
The next step is to prepare the meat part of the dish. For this, you will need premium ground beef mince, the other half of your onion diced just the same, some parmigiano, and some pasta. Ordinarily, I would make my own pasta because I'm not an Italian peasant. However, in quarantine, we must make do. To begin the meat preparation, add some more tarty olive oil to the pan. Now add your diced onions.
Rasori e pettini, lancete forbici, al mio comando tutto qui sta. Lancete forbici, rasori e pettini, al mio comando tutto.
Agitate your mince until brown. Then, bring a pot of salted water to the boil and overwhelm your pasta. Introduce your sauce to your mince. Once your pasta is sufficiently drowned, you may strain it. Now all that's left is to plate up and serve.
And there we are, the perfect spaghetti alla Bolognese. Finish with a sprinkling of parmesan. Bon appetit, or as the Italians say, buon appetito.
Fortunatissimo per verità, la 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 la.